Hi everyone. In today's video, we'll show you how to calibrate your drone's compass for accurate navigation and stable flight. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Sensors tab from the Base section of your software. Before starting the calibration, make sure you are in a location free from magnetic or metallic interference. This ensures accurate calibration. Next, locate the compass section and click on the Calibrate button to begin the process. Now, slowly and steadily rotate the drone along all three axes: pitch, roll, and yaw. Perform a full 360-degree rotation in different orientations, including nose up, nose down, left side up, right side up. Once the calibration is complete, the system will confirm a successful calibration. If you receive an error, try recalibrating in a different location away from interference. And that's how you calibrate your drone's compass. Regular calibration ensures accurate positioning and a safer flight experience.